Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Baby Essentials. In today's episode, we'll be making two fall flower arrangement using Dollar Tree products. Thank you guys so much for staying true to this channel. If you are new, please subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, this is the end of project number one. You can use it however you want. I use it on the wall, but I could show you how you can also use it as a table centerpiece. With project number two, we'll be using the exact same Dollar Tree trays and flowers. I am using foam board cut into pieces. I'm gonna turn it into a little box and cover it up with Dollar Tree rhinestones. As you guys continue to watch this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is it, guys. This is the end of project number 2. I am absolutely in love with both projects. Please let me know what you think, which one you like better. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.